What's up, guys? Quattro came back in the building for another video. Today we got a treat. You know I love the Micro 1 TTs. And we got a stage 2. Obviously it's KO4 already because it's a 225. But y'all really gonna like this one. Stay tuned.
Redone like a year ago, and I actually liked we couldn't find this material, but it actually goes great. Black, gray, kind of worked itself out. So I was like, okay, cool. Turn right here.
You can actually go all the way around. Okay. What mods does it have?
So it's got the exhaust, downpipe, like Pedro's tune.
Like bespoke exhaust or like a setup?
Whatever exhaust Pedro made. Like
okay.
Yeah. Good to go.
The brakes work real good too.
Yeah, I mean it's Pedro's home brewed whatever brake kit. Not that he makes the brake kit himself, right? But whatever parts he gets.
Yeah, it shows you in the...
What's up?
I said it shows you in the seat.
Yeah, it does. I mean, and the VR6 TT I had, this thing would smoke it every single time. So I was like, okay, that, cool.
I wish I still had my Mark II, dude. We definitely run
straight?
that. Yeah, keep going straight. We would definitely run that.
Yeah.
Launch control in that thing was nasty. I'm not even gonna cap to you. And people are gonna say it's fake, but I timed it. The fastest I ever got was a 5.1 of like